How to find routing number on Santander app? Open the Santander mobile banking app on your smartphone or tablet. Once logged in, navigate to the section where your account details are displayed. This could be under the Accounts tab or a similar section depending on the app's layout. Look for an option to view the details of your specific account. This might be labeled as account information, account details, or something similar. Within the account details, you should find your account number and routing number listed. The routing number is typically displayed alongside your account number. It's a 9-digit number that identifies the bank and a specific branch where your account is held. If you are unable to find the routing number within the app, you're contacting Santander customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching.